Hello, my name is Keith Horner, Superintendent of Apollo Career Center. Congratulations to each of you on achieving the goals that you chose when you enrolled in Apollo Career Center. The knowledge, certifications, and skilled training that you have obtained are points of pride for you, your family, friends, teachers, and everyone that has supported you. I am certain that you are stronger, more adaptable, more ready to take on whatever is next, and we can't wait to see you again to hear what you are doing. Please know that we are all proud of you, that we care about you, and that we, along with your family and friends, are cheering you on as you begin your lives in the workplace, military, and college. We are still here to support you in your next steps and are honored to call you an Apollo Career Center graduate. We wish you luck, good health, and a great future. Thank you for letting us be part of your journey.
Seniors, we are so proud of you. Your accomplishments and the time and effort that you've put into your education and training here are the first steps toward amazing opportunities for you. Throughout your time here at Apollo, you have had a big impact on our staff, and sharing being part of your journey every day has left us with great memories, and we will certainly miss you. For so many years, you have been saying what you want to do when you grow up. Well, now it's time to put your dreams into action. And today, as you enter into your career path, you stop being our student and you start being our peer. Congratulations, Apollo grads, and now Apollo alumni.